everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane. My husband Mike is behind the camera. We're British, early retirees, debt and mortgage free and living a thrifty and frugal life here in Brittany in northwest France. And every Sunday we share an aspect of our lives. And this Sunday we're sharing with you something very personal to this location. So I'm recording this on Friday, but I'm going to be sharing with you something that happened earlier on in the week. We had an extraordinarily hot weekend, just so hot. And then on Monday, we had the hottest temperatures that have ever been recorded here. And on Monday afternoon, the national park, Parc d'Armorique of the Mont in this area, caught alight. And it kept burning. And by night time, 200 firefighters were up there fighting it. The police were there, local farmers were there with their water bowsers trying to help spray down the edges of the roads, and the fire kept spreading. So this week's video is not about saving money, it's just about what happened in our area. Take a look at the video. Well, good morning. It's the morning after the night before. Yesterday was the hottest day that this region has ever known. And I'm going to be quick because it's windy. Let's film this. What you can see here is smoke. Smoke. The fires are 15 miles away, but we're full of smoke. I'm just really hoping it's going to rain. It feels like it's going to rain. I really want it to rain to just wash this smoke away. You can see it, smoke everywhere from the moorland fires, and it is such a shame because the area is called the Mont, and if you're British it's like Dartmoor, it's like Exmoor, and this is such a shame to see this. 15 miles of smoke. And France and Spain and Portugal, because this heat wave, there are fires everywhere. We've got off lightly. But sorry about the wind, but I did want to share this with you. Well, the rain has stopped and the wind changed, and the smoke from the Monts, which, as I've explained, is very like Dartmoor or Exmoor in the UK, same kind of geography. And the prefecture, the local council, working with the firefighters, working with the police. We've got the Air Force base near here and their firefighters are out as well. So every firefighter they've got in the area is working. And what we were told that last night, what they focused on was saving people, saving lives, evacuating people, saving residential areas, saving houses. And what they're working on today is controlling the fire on the moorland itself. So it did rain a bit, but not a lot. We had a reasonable thunder and lightning storm and some rain, but not a lot, not enough. Still rumbling away, you can hear that in the background. And the smoke has moved back this way. So I've had the windows open, the windows closed. And as you can see there, that's not fog, that's smoke. So yeah, that's the update so far. Well, it's Thursday morning. The huge moorland fires were on Monday. So it's several days later, and you can see, maybe able to see in the distance, it's still smouldering. It's very, very much under control. So where I am at Saint-Michel, Mont Saint-Michel, I don't know, I'm at St Michael's Lake, up in the Monts, which is very, very close to us, 10 minutes by car. And we've just stood here looking, and it's just, as far as the eye can see, the distance is just black and burnt, where it's usually bright green and covered in vegetation. It's just absolutely burnt, and you just feel this kind of sadness, this heaviness at what you can see, and knowing it's going to take so long for nature to repair itself. It's a very, very sad sight. So who'd have thought it? Who'd have thought that we'd see wildfires here in Brittany? Not that they're not unheard of. They do happen, but not at that scale, not at the size and scale of that. To put that into perspective, can you imagine if you live in the UK and you live in Plymouth and you took all of the Plymouth area, and all of it to be covered in fire? That's how big the space was of that fire. Normally I ask you to like the video, but you can't really like this video, can you? But what I want to do though is I want you to hit the like button for the pompiers, for the Red Cross, for the farmers who turned up with their water bowsers and doused down the roads to keep people safe, to the Dash waterplane pilots. Give them a like. Go on, give them a like. Give a like to all the domestic services and the mayor's offices and the local people who put people up, and the animal charities that went and rescued sheep and cows and horses. Give them a like. Give them a like. You can hear. It was an emotional week. Never experienced anything like that before. And can't say I enjoyed it. Can't say I enjoyed 40-degree heat. And I can't tell you how scary it was to know that local people were going through that. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.